It seems like the rabbit hole that is One UI 4 with Android 12 rolling out for Galaxy devices has generally been a smooth experience, but recently has come with a few bumps on the way. We've overall praised Samsung for how well they've handled the timely rollout of One UI 4, especially since covering each beta down to the final release extensively here on SamMobile. That being said, when we covered the official release of One UI 4 on the Galaxy Z Flip 3, although we had a stable experience with it, Samsung themselves did stop the rollout of the update in South Korea due to bugs and errors caused by the update for some users until they fix it. It looks like now the Galaxy S21 is being given the same treatment. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy new videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV. Here is a quick look at why One UI 4 on the Galaxy S21 has been stopped for now. As a quick recap, the official OTA release of One UI 4 for the Galaxy S21 series was made available as of the 15th of November 2021, which we covered in a previous video. Since then, the OTA release has been available to a mix of different users, either on locked Galaxy S21 models or carrier network models, all based on the region and country you are in. So with that in mind, it gives the impression that it's so far so good. But then what changed for Samsung to pull and stop the update for One UI 4 rolling out to the Galaxy S21, specifically in South Korea? A recent announcement issued by a Samsung community moderator reads, after the Android 12 One UI 4 update, an error phenomenon was found in very few devices due to compatibility issues with Google Play system on some devices. So the update was put on hold for a while. Google is taking action after analyzing the content. When Google's actions are complete, the One UI 4 version will be redistributed. We are working hard to release a version of One UI 4 as soon as possible. It goes on to say, we plan to redistribute the FOTA after resolving related errors and preparing countermeasures in order to secure the stability of the terminal and to relieve consumer inconvenience and customer satisfaction. Taking everything into account, this does seem to be an isolated issue happening to few devices, but regardless, it is great to see Samsung taking matters into their own hands to fix it as soon as possible before more users experience any more issues with the update. How's your experience been with One UI 4 so far on your Galaxy S21? Let us know in the comment section below. For the latest news in the world of Samsung Daily, be sure to visit us at sammobile.com. And for the latest videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.